The Honor Magic V2 launch conference was officially held in Beijing Watercube. The new folding flagship Honor Magic V2, which has evolved from progress to evolution, was officially released. As a folding flagship that starts the next innovation cycle of smartphones, the Magic V2 series uses reconstructive thinking to think about product appearance from the origin of consumer needs, breaks the status quo of traditional folding screen mobile phone function iterations, and brings new value thinking to high-end flagships. The newly released Honor Magic V2 series brings a number of firsts in many specifications or functions, including the world's first body appearance that is thinner than a bar machine, and the world's first internal and external dual screens that support risk-free dimming eye protecting screen, the world's first folding screen mobile phone, equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, self-developed RF enhancement chip, dual batteries with longer battery life, etc., with an epoch-making revolutionary leapfrogging evolution, ends the solidified pattern of Apple's dominance in the high-end market, leading high-end flagships into the era of folding screen homes. Honor has provided a new appearance for the folding screen category, with technological innovation that breaks through the inherent thinking, breaking the boundary between the bar machine and the folding screen. The Honor Magic V2 has taken a step in evolution, leading the folding screen mobile phone into the world. In terms of thinness and lightness, the Honor Magic V2 series brought the thickness of the folding screen into the millimeter era for the first time. The thickness of the closed state is only 9.9 millimeters, making the folding screen thinner than the candy bar for the first time. It innovatively customizes each component to be thin and light, overcomes manufacturing process difficulties, and creates ultra-thin folding hinges, ultra-thin folding screens, ultra-thin VC cooling systems, ultra-thin Type-C interface modules, and ultra-thin fingerprints identification, etc., to achieve breakthroughs in the appearance of individual systems and functional modules. Realize 231 grams, completely break through the original boundaries of candy bars and folding screens, meet the balance between consumers' needs for large screens and mobile terminal portability, and truly make the flagship with internal folding screens the mainstream choice for high-end users. Both the inner and outer dual screens adopt 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, reaching the flagship level in terms of brightness, dynamic range, color depth, and color gamut. It is also a master of Honor's eye protection technology. Both the inner and outer screens support 3840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. At the same time, the Honor Magic V2 series is also the world's first foldable flagship, equipped with a self-developed RF enhancement chip. On the basis of the antenna appearance upgrade, the system-level antenna tuning and switching is performed through the C1 chip so that the communication performance can be dynamically adjusted according to the user scenario to achieve a better communication experience. The Honor Magic V2 series is equipped with a Magic OS 7.2 system, which has also fully evolved in the value experience of the folding screen category. Through innovative exploration, Honor opened a parallel space on the Honor Magic V2, as if putting a second mobile phone into the folding screen. Users can place work materials and confidential documents in the workspace, while family photos, ID photos, etc. are placed in the living space so that data can be safely isolated. In terms of battery life, while pursuing a light and thin body, the Honor Magic V2 series did not sacrifice battery life. The whole series is equipped with Honor King Eye Lake batteries with a higher energy density. The 2.72mm battery achieves a large capacity of up to 5000 mAh, which truly solves the pain point of consumers for the battery life of folding mobile phones. It can not only bring consumers a thin and light grip, but also bring a longer-lasting user experience. In terms of cameras, the Honor Magic V2 has a front-facing 16 megapixels camera on the outer screen, a front-facing 16 megapixels camera on the inner screen, and a rear 50 megapixels main camera, 50 megapixels ultra-wide angle, and 20 megapixels telephoto, up to 40x camera. As for the price, the Honor Magic V2 phone is priced at 8,999 yuan for the 16 and 256 gigs memory version, for 9,999 yuan or $1,395. The pre-sale will start on July 12th, and the official sale will start on July 20th. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, then I will leave them in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.